you love finding cute little decor pieces that are actually useful and adorable, these are amazing. So I want to thank the brand for sending this over for me to try out. This is literally a 2-pack of shaped acrylic organizers that look like little sheep. They are such a fun addition to like a bathroom counter, a vanity, your makeup area, even like a desk. So you get the black and white set and they instantly, I don't know, they just give you a little personality to your space and they don't take up much room. So these are one of those kind of pieces that make your countertop or, you know, even your desk look fun, put together and practical all at the same time. They are designed to hold things like Q-tips, cotton balls, the little cotton makeup rounds that you can buy. But I've also discovered, so I want to show you this one. I put Q-tips in. The lids come off super easily. You can see how cute that would look on a bathroom counter. But I also probably got this from my years of teaching. I thought, how fun to put little candies in there. These are little candies that I got from a friend of mine in Hawaii. I still have a few left, but I put little candies in these. How cute would that be sitting on a desk? I'm even thinking, like, my sister works for a veterinarian clinic. How cute for her to have this up front, a little something inside. So absolutely love this. One thing to know is that they do not come with the cotton balls or the cotton swabs. So whatever you fill them with is going to be whatever you have, right? But honestly, that's part of what makes these so fun. Of course, they're great for bathroom essentials, as I suggested, but you could use them literally for all kinds of things, even at like your kids' hair ties or something like that. Great little fun containers. So if you're looking for something like these, definitely check them out. They're made of a really solid acrylic, but these will look super cute, fun, playful, absolutely adorable. Highly recommend.